What is translational motion? To understand translational motion, let us take an example of a person pushing a wooden block in the forward direction. As we can see, when a person pushes the block moves along its linear axis without rotating. Such movement, which changes the position of the block without any rotation, is known as the translational motion. Thus, we can say that the translational motion is the motion of any object along its linear axis without any rotation. Some of the examples of translational motion are the movement of an insect, motion of a bullet, and the movement of a piston in a cylinder. Note that if an object moves along the straight line, then it is known as rectilinear translation. And if an object moves along the curved line, then it is known as curvilinear translation. Related terms are the linear displacement, linear velocity, and linear acceleration. Question. Remember keywords. Related terms are remember diagram, remember definition, useful information.